A property management company is joining the city's public health campaign for smoke-free homes. Cruz Management Company has responsibility for more than 1,600 units of housing in Boston and New Bedford. To tell us about the collaboration are the company's director, Justin Cruz, and from the Boston Public Health Commission, the associate director in the Division of Healthy Homes and Community Supports, Eugene Barros. Thank you both very much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Eugene, why are smoke-free homes so much better than the alternative?
So in multi-housing units, smoke cannot be contained. It travels from one unit to the next. And so really, smoke-free housing is the only way to prevent exposure to secondhand smoke. And we know that smoke is harmful for everyone, but especially for children and elderly. And we all should do something to help these vulnerable members of the community. Smoke-free housing really benefits everyone. It benefits residents and landlords alike. Actually, about 85% of the Boston residents do not smoke, so people want to live in a smoke-free environment. And for landlords like Cruz Management and Justin can speak about it, there's clearly benefits, economic benefits for smoke-free housing, and he can touch more upon it. But the repair costs and the cleaning costs and even turnover costs.
Eugene, one more thing about the health. I mean, we think of secondhand smoke. Eventually, you might get lung cancer, but more immediately, if you have a young child, what about asthma?
Yeah, so issues. That's why multi-housing, we find that people are sicker and they have high levels of asthma. You have with children, you have ear infections that are common as well. So people with other chronic diseases as well are highly affected by smoke exposure.
Justin, why did your company decide to take this challenge on?
Well, again, we wanted to promote a healthy environment, and this is one of the ways to do that. Again, we touched on asthma and respiratory issues. This will help definitely benefit our residents in the community by promoting smoke-free in the buildings.
So. What about the difference for the buildings themselves?
Yeah, as Eugene mentioned, turnover cost is definitely an issue when there's someone that's been in the unit smoking. So again, it will help for a cleaner, healthier, safer building and easier to maintain.
And I think, I don't know, one of your managers, I think maybe you told me the story. I don't know if you had a fire in one of the units.
Yeah.
And that's one of the things that, according to national data, the U.S. Fire Administration, according to them, it's one of the #1 cause of deadly fires for residential fires.
We have dealt with that. So.
Yeah. Justin, I know there are some tenants who might not have options, but when tenants do have options, if they smell some residue of cigarette smoke or something, they might want to go somewhere else.
Yeah. Again, we've done a survey with our residents, and we found pretty overwhelming support for the policy, even from smokers who actually don't want the smell themselves in their own unit. So again, we're a partnership with Eugene. We're providing support for folks that are having a difficult time or may have a difficult time adapting to the policy.
How are you going to do it? Because I'm sure in some of these units, there are people who've been smoking for a long time. They maybe smoke a pack a day. It's not going to be that easy to totally shut down.
True, it's not going to be easy. Again, it will be part of the lease, so it will be something that we can enforce, not that we want to go down that route, but first is to get them support, try to help them quit if that's their option. And we're not against smoking, it's just no smoking in our buildings. So,
Eugene, what about the campaign throughout the city? Have there been that many buildings that have been brought under this?
Yeah, so just to let you know, in Boston, we've been working with landlords, with all landlords, both private, affordable, public, and condo owners, and management companies like Cruz to help them transition to smoke-free. And thanks to funding from the Centers Disease Control Prevention, we hope this year, to transition about 10,000 units, and in 2017 transition thousands more. So again, we offer, at the Boston Public Health Commission, we offer a lot of resources to help landlords transition their units to smoke-free. We're very much engaged with them to help them educate the residents so that they can because ultimately they're the ones who are going to comply with the rules. So we do, we go to the meetings, do resident education around smoke, secondhand smoke exposure. We make sure, like Justin says, they give residents plenty of time. Cruz, for example, I think you guys gave them at least 6 months. So usually landlords give tenants around 6 to a year to make sure that they get used to smoke outside for those people that are not ready to quit. And sometimes, usually when there's a policy in place, a lot of the tenants want to quit, and that's where also we come. We've been partnering with Cruz. We make those resources, the quitting resources, available as well. We have a website with videos and resource for both landlords and tenants. And this summer we're going to do a citywide campaign to create more awareness about smoke-free housing and the resources available.
Justin, I understand you have an event coming up later this year around this too?
Yes, I do. So again, our motto at the company is Cruz Cares. That's sort of where this stemmed from. So we're having a walkathon June 4th, and we're going to promote, again, the healthy lifestyle, healthy living, and we're going to sort of sponsor our Summer Works program through this walkathon, through sponsorship. So we're really excited about that, and really excited with the partnership that we have to help build and promote this healthy environment.
And Eugene, if people want to get some more help from the Public Health Commission, get some information about training too, is there a website or some other?
Yeah, so first of all, I also want to publicly congratulate Cruz Management and Justin for taking the step forward for creating healthy housing and, for their residents. Yes, so we do provide free technical assistance to landlords. If anybody wants more information, especially landlords, if you want to transition your home, you can contact the Boston Public Health Commission and our Healthy Homes at bphc.org, our website, and we have a phone number, 617-534-4718.
Thank you both very much.
Thank you.
Eugene Barros and Justin Cruz. We'll have more news in just a moment.